What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I just got my Silvers Neomax coilovers for my WRX, and we're gonna be going ahead and putting them in today, and I am pumped. Check these things out. They are sick looking, honestly. They're pretty bitchin'. They're the super lows by Neomax. You know, you can adjust your preload right here, and if you wanted to lower your coilover, you would loosen this one and you spin the whole strut up into itself, and that's how you lower them. But they're sick. They have, like, I don't know if it was 24 or 32 adjustments for preload or for clickers, but it's like they have all the camber plates. These things are bitchin'. These things are sick. Let's go ahead and get these things in there. I am pumped, dude. Let's do it. Oh my god, dude. I barely cracked it.
Oh, it's on there.
Yes. Look at that blown outness of whatever this coilover is. I don't even know. Oh, it's a Raceland. Yeah. Alright. Now that we're out, let's go find the corresponding one. Yeah, I'm pumped. Honestly, it's pretty tall, but it's not much taller than it was.
It's pretty tall.
Is it pretty equally tall on both sides? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we learned. I'll be able to go a little bit lower for the back. We'll just have to.
Yeah.
Well, plus these are brand new too. Any shock, any spring, anything, it's
we
gonna.
didn't measure it too.
Any shock, any spring, any fucking brand new set of dampening is gonna break in. It's gonna sag a little bit after break in. So I think honestly, maybe leaving it a little tall, driving it to Justin JT's might be good, and then adjusting it there. Just to give it some fucking, I mean, if you think about it, I mean, I know each shock is dyno tested and to make sure it's, like they put on a shock dyno and like actually they build it and then make sure it comes out to the ticked spec, and then they box it, and each 4 of them was shock dyno tested. But at the same time, like if you get, you know, suspension done by like Pro Circuit on a dirt bike, it's still gonna have a break-in period. It still needs like, because it's brand new shim stacks and bushings and everything in there, so it's like it's gonna take a second for oil to fucking warm up, thicken up, thin out a little bit. Not thicken up, but thin out a little bit. It's probably gonna be a 10 times better of a drive.
Oh,
I am
yeah.
so excited. I'm so excited. All right, let's go ahead and flip this thing around and let's do the backside. I'm pumped. Now, we just got done test driving a little bit. I just drove around the block to flip the car back in here backwards. It feels pretty good. It's not so boingy. It feels pretty rigid. It's too damn tall. So I learned I'm gonna spin the shock body up a little bit, make them shorter for the rears. And then off camera, I'm just gonna go back and fix the fronts because it's the same process. But you know what, let's get right into it. I went ahead and I got the bolts out. We have to remove the back seats just so we can get to the top of the shock towers. And it's the same process. So let's just get right into it. I'm pumped. There it was. Okay, time to get the top ones out. We just got this thing back on the ground. I got everything tightened up, and dude, it's way better than before. I definitely had it way too tall. Honestly, it could probably go a little bit more, especially in the front. I kind of left it a little high because I know there's gonna be a little bit of a break-in. They're gonna sag a little bit, you know, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna drive it around for a week or two, really kind of hit some potholes, and I'm gonna really aim for them. Hopefully, you know, get the suspension a little bit more worked in, a little bit softer, and then we'll really go low from there. So stay tuned, guys. I'm pumped. Let's get a little walk around right now. Let's see what's cracking real quick before we let you guys go. I know it's dirty, but we're looking pretty good. Definitely need to get 8.5s in the rear instead of just 18 by 8s. I bought these for the wagon, but I am so stoked. If you guys like this video, go ahead, please drop a comment down below. Tell me something that I need to be doing better. Carter, you didn't do this right, you blah, blah, blah. Go ahead, and I love that shit. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that down below too, or I'll throw it up right here. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I got more content coming. We're gonna lower this thing even more, buff out the headlights, hopefully get that 6-speed swapped in. So you know what, stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.